Attention, Instagram users. A new feature is now available for stories. Comments on your stories will now be visible to everyone. Previously, if you replied to a story, your comments were sent privately to the story owner through a direct message, so only the person who posted the story could see your comment. Now, your comments will appear publicly below the story for everyone to see. Anyone who sees your story will also see the comments. If you find a comment from someone that you don't like, you can simply hide it so that it won't be visible anymore. You also have the option to reply to comments. This means you can directly talk to people who leave comments, making your conversations more lively and helping you connect better with your audience. You also have additional options, including blocking, removing a follower, deleting or reporting a comment, or hiding your story from him alone. You can also control who is allowed to comment on your story, so you can choose which people can leave comments. If you decide that you no longer want anyone to be able to comment on your story, you also have the option to completely disable this feature.